Guys, what is up? And today in this video I am going to be showing you, remember this? Well, I've got something even better. It's the same brand. I'm not sponsored by anything, but look, I've got a blue fidget spinner, a black fidget spinner, and a red fidget spinner. So let me unbox these, and yeah. I didn't know it'd fall out the packet like that. Jeez. Is it that way this time? Right. I got these from Amazon. They're £5. They're really cool. So look, the best thing you can do is sorry I haven't been vlogging for a few weeks. I'm so sorry, but got caught up in things. And please make this video get how many likes? I'd say 25 likes and 3 views and 2 subscribers. That'd be great. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. My Instagram name is Jacob. No, I'm just going to tell my Snapchat because then I can message you. My Snapchat is actually no, I'll just leave it in the link description down below. Bye guys, see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please. Bye.